How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about how the cost of commercial auto insurance for contractors here in Michigan is determined. There are several key factors that insurance companies will look at when they are going to determine your premium. So having a better understanding of these can hopefully help you better manage your costs. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you find the video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share it with anyone else that you think might find it helpful as well. First, the type of vehicle and how it's going to be used plays a very big role. For example, a dump truck hauling heavy loads to job sites is going to have a very different rate than, say, a regular car or truck that might just be being used for sales and estimates. The size and type of vehicle play a significant role because larger, heavier vehicles do carry more risk and exposure. Another major factor is going to be the driving records of the employees that are driving the company vehicles. Having employees with clean driving records can keep premiums lower, and if you have drivers with accidents or violations, this can drive costs up and potentially even run into the issue of having to exclude them completely. But this will depend on the insurance company and other factors as well. But this is why it's very important for you to run motor vehicle record reports, also known as MVR reports, on your employees before they drive any company vehicles. Another key consideration for cost is fleet size. The more vehicles your business has on the road, the higher your overall risk exposure can be, which can increase premiums. So managing a large fleet efficiently is a key component to help keep costs under control. Claims history also plays a big role. If your business has a history of frequent or large claims on its record, then that is going to make a big impact on your rates. Insurance companies see your loss report, your claims record, as a big indicator for future risk for them. Now let's talk about some things that you could potentially do to help manage your costs. First is to have a regular maintenance plan in place for your vehicles. This can help prevent accidents, breakdowns, and overall taking care of the little things on a day-to-day, week-to-week, monthly basis can help prevent accidents from happening in the first place. Next is again that you'll want to make sure that you are checking your employees' driving records on an ongoing basis, whether that's annual, semi-annual, whatever it may be. It is something that you want to stay on top of to make sure that you do have safe drivers on the road. Implementing a fleet management program or telematics and having a general safety program in place can also make a huge difference. Programs that include distracted driver training and regular reminders about road safety and things like that can help reduce your overall risk and again potentially help prevent accidents from happening in the first place, which will keep your premiums lower over time. Another thing to look at is bundling your commercial auto insurance policies with other active insurance policies that you have in place, such as with general liability insurance or workers' compensation. Many insurance carriers out there do offer discounts when businesses do have multiple lines of coverage with them. So if the option is available with the insurance company you're working with, that is definitely something worth looking into to try to help lower your costs. And last is to look at your deductibles for the physical damage coverages on your vehicles, which would be the comprehensive and collision coverages. If it makes sense, opting for higher deductibles on certain vehicles is a way to help reduce your premium in certain areas, but you just want to make sure that you are comfortable paying those out-of-pocket expenses if an accident does happen and you need to file a claim. So, given all the factors that we discussed, the actual cost of commercial auto insurance can vary widely. For smaller or lighter vehicles, you can see costs starting anywhere from around $1,500 a year to $2,000 a year, but for those heavy duty vehicles such as dump trucks, costs can easily get to $5,000 plus a year. And again, this will all be dependent on your business's specific situation. Overall, every contractor's needs are different, and these are just some of the factors that do go into determining the cost for your commercial auto insurance here in Michigan. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance program, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or leave a comment below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.